I am on a search for glass paperweights, glass figurines, home decor, vintage jewelry. If I can't find any of that, I'm gonna start looking into apparel, but I really don't want to. But money makes people change their mind from time to time. I'm in Savers, let's go inside. All right, color of the week is yellow. Ooh, so it's not discounted day, folks. Look at this beautiful bird right here. Little hole on the inside. That is unique, but very raw around the edging. Feels cleaner. I might consider it and put it in the cart, but not with that price. Oh, say it, speak it into fruition, and it might work out. Some little residue on the top. $6. The bottom. I'm not sure if that's adhesive that makes it look like a little filmy. But this right here seems to be in pretty good condition, and it might even glow in the dark. Let's put this in the cart for now. Off to a good start, my friends. Off to a good start. That's what I'm talking about. I love stuff like this. Look at this. Some yard work. $9.99. This is pretty. Some yard decorations. This is one I've come across before. This is Lottie Daw. There's a piece missing on top, and if this was in brand new condition, this beautiful piece would go for around $25. So this being $4 and just a beautiful piece, knowing what it is, I don't know if it's worth reselling. And if I could even get 10 for it, because it's missing a part. And I found pieces that are missing the top of this. Usually don't do well, right? So sitting right up here is going to be a little pottery piece. This is nice. A little ship on there. Usually it's like flowers or birds. Oh, I see a crack now. Made in Italy. Look at that little stopper. This is definitely not a salt shaker or a pepper shaker. This is a money pot, I guess. Interesting. It's always learning about something out here, looking at things. Oh, look at this. I almost overlooked this. Oh, no, it's not. I thought this was going to be a paperweight vase. It's going to be more of a modern one. $4.99. That is nice. That is super nice. But not what I'm looking for. Some interesting things inside here, folks. There's always stuff that I'm learning about. And that's the unique thing and fun thing about reselling. But it's not just about having fun. It's about making it worth it to resell, especially if this is your way of life. Ooh, this one is signed. Mazha. $3.99. Let me put this in the cart for now. This feels really good. This is beautiful. Nice glaze on here. Then I also ended up picking up this right here. It's like a Native American pottery piece, usually for ceremonial purposes. Has two little spouts. Oh man, there is a chip on there. And it is signed. Man, that was a good price on it too. Unfortunately, it has a chip. And it's good that I catch it now than buying something and realizing it at home. So take your time when looking at stuff. This is vintage, and I don't think those are vintage, but we'll get to those in a moment. Look at this. These are little carved glass vintage bonsai tree. This is heavy, so consider shipping if you're doing this. Oh, and one little piece already fell off. Not that you could probably tell where it fell off from, but I did. And these often go for around $60 to $80. Oh, I think that's on cast iron. Oh, that's a little heavy. So I don't know. I don't know if that would be worth getting for $16. That's a beautiful piece. I want smaller things. Things like this, but this does have some wear on the gold. If it didn't, I would consider it. This is a courting couple little type of pitcher. Another little pitcher, also gold tarnished, rubbing off. That is numbered. And then this one over here, this is a unique little creamer, crack on the top, right there. And this is made in Germany. So let's see what else is here that isn't broken or cracked. All right. I'm pretty sure the same person donated these. Tonala. $4.99. These are, oh, look at that, folks. Look at that. That is That is not good. That has to be a modern one. I need to do something funny about them. That's why it's good to have patience on looking at things like that. To look at every little thing. Somebody tried to have this at a yard sale for 50 cents. And they said, nope, it's worth more. We could sell it for more. $5.99. This is a cool piece. But I'm thinking it's maybe a drinking bottle. If not, it could be used just for decor or maybe even a planter. What's over here? That's nice. I think this is brass. Made in India. $5.99. If it was $4 or $3.99, I would have picked that up. Being very particular for a reason because I don't want to just be holding on to anything. Yeah. Looks like a kid made this, but that's cute. It's pretty. Nice little glass piece. Oh, this is nice. I like this. $3.99. Just because it has a sticker on it doesn't mean that it's not vintage. I'm going to put this in a cart and look at it later to see if it's worth getting. All right, let's back this up over here because I just seen something they just put out. Look at this. It's like a robin's egg perfume. It's kind of scentsy type of thing. And I love the way this glass looks. $4.99, that is a yes. If I had the top to this would probably sell for around $60 to $80. As is, I'm not sure, but I think and believe this is worth getting. Look at this glass. I love glass. If you like glass, let me know in the comments. I love glass. What is this? The texture on the bottom caught my attention on this one. $6.99. I wonder if it's signed. It is signed, folks. Can y'all see that? This is signed. Who is it signed by? All right, this was fairly easy to look up. I had using my iPhone to magnify even closer. If you use the right button, click 3 times, and it'll get you to the magnifying setting. More than likely, if not, you got to go into your general settings for that. But I was able to look up the signature on the bottom of this. It was a little etching, and through the camera lens, I was able to spot it. It's by Erreforce, E-R-R-E-F-O-R, votive candle holder. This is crystal. Unfortunately, although it sells on Amazon for around $50 brand new, and there are quite a bit that are on there. There are 500 used and new combined on eBay, but only around 12 of them have sold for around $10. All right, ladies and gents, you never know what you're gonna come across here, and this is a new one for me. This is an antique foot warmer. Antique. Look how pristine this art is on here. And also, you never know who you're going to run into. Look at that. Do y'all know who that is? Let me know in the comments. It's a good friend of mine, and I'm glad to see her. Usually she comes on Thursdays, and I don't. But now that I've been getting organized in my office and house, garage, storage unit, I'm able to start getting back to thrifting. A while back, I was at the swap meet with friends, and I admitted I am bad at listing. And a friend said, you need to be an aggressive lister as much as you are a shopper, and that's what I'm getting to. Ooh, this looks like silver. Not that one, this one. Did you know, fun fact, you could clean silver with toothpaste? This is a beautiful piece. Look on the inside. I think it's missing the top. $5.99.
I don't know, I just got so much crap.
Yeah, I got less crap now that I've been getting organized.
Have you?
Yeah.
I gotta start getting organized when we come back. It's gonna be time to move.
Where y'all going to?
Florida. Then we'll be out of here hopefully soon.
Yeah, well, I do plan on wanting to go visit Florida. Look at this beautiful little vintage piece right here. $4.99. I am scooping this up. That is pretty. Ladies and gents, I got some competition in front of me that keeps blocking the aisle. No matter where I try to go, she just follows me. Oh, I think she just snarled at me. Gave me a little.
I come here every day now.
Do you?
Damn. I've made a lot of money here.
I've been seeing Tiffany Thrifting Vegas go to the DI now in her videos.
Yeah, during the carts. Yeah, it's like it's just way too much competition. Like there's 20 people.
Is there competition? Big competition?
Well, it's one thing that, well, I say half of them don't know what the hell they're looking for, but the other half do, and it doesn't matter whether they know what they're looking for. It's 10 other customers you got to fight over the cart. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's always fun running into people, especially when you like them. Got some glass up here. This is vintage, but I will tell you folks, vintage doesn't mean it necessarily sells. And for $3.99, even if this was half off, see that name right there? Look it up, take a screenshot, look it up yourself. But I'll tell you right now, to save you the trouble, this will only sell for maybe $5 to $10. So not worth getting. When I started reselling in the very beginning, I had no idea what I was looking for. Now I do. I don't look for just anything. I look for things that I know that sell for me. And that changes from person to person, so don't get caught up on what other people sell and you can't find it. Find what's around you and learn as much as you can. Become a master of it. All right, Don seen this in the cart and said, look it up again. And I ended up switching around some keywords, and there's one similar to it. Somebody listed it down to $15 plus shipping. So I'm like scratching my head. Do I keep it? Do I not? Because I feel like stuff like that is wrong when there's a better price out there. Or is it just something I shouldn't think about? It is $4.99. I think I have a discount, which will be less. I know it's worth much more, but I'm going to have it in an auction coming soon. And then in front of me is something I always look out for, and I believe I know what it is. So this is not so much of what this is. It's more of like how the look is of Delft. $6.99, and look at that. This is a nice decanter. It looks like it's in really good condition. Has all the original pieces on here. It's probably dried out little corkscrew, and this should sell for around 20, 25. I don't think it'll go for 30, but for $7, even a little less than that, if it was $4, I would do it. I am on a budget, folks, so I'm not trying to give into just spending just because it sells for 20 and I buy it for 70. I try to triple my money on everything that I get. All right, this is a really good find. Remember the signature I said that was under here? It is red Marsha Cox ring pottery. These often go for around $40, $50, $60. This is much more colorful instead of the bland neutral colors I've seen listed and that I've sold. It is only $4.99, but there's a part that's missing to it, a bowl that goes on the inside, and that should, and hopefully that's back over there. So I'm gonna go look for it, crossing my fingers. I hope you are too. All right, searching for that little piece. And I think I overlooked some things earlier when I was talking to Don, because I don't remember seeing these unless they just came out. Sango, no thank you. This one, I like little pieces like this. Nice, lightweight, good price. Nice glaze, like a gunmetal. Got a little dimple there. And I think this is Japanese, and this could be very valuable. And that price, it's worth getting. $3.99. Mikasa nada for that. Oh, this is one I was wanting to look at. This reminds me of the Italia, and those could be very valuable. They usually don't have markings, but I have something similar to this. A very big centerpiece bow, and I'm telling you, it's just like this texture, and this might be a really good one. I need to look this up right now. I just seen something. Do not forget about this, Sonny. All right, this is not the Italia glass that I thought. It's actually Viking glass, and it only goes for 10 bucks. $7.99, not good. But that other piece I just picked up, doesn't this look familiar? I think it goes along with it. Also $2.99. A set is going to be good. I believe this is Japanese, and there might be more pieces. The more the merrier. $3.99, the more of these items that I could match together is going to bring in some good value to be paying $3 for each piece. So let's try to find the rest. Here's another one, $2.99. All right. Usually there are like 3 or 4. No, usually not 4. I think 4 is a bad number, like a bad luck number. Nope, not the same. That was made in China. Oh, look at these pieces though. I didn't see these. There was a lady with a cart that was bringing stuff out, and she could have did that. Ah, this is modern. This was in here earlier. It's another little glass piece. I think that is water residue inside there. $3.49. This is a nice size. Not too heavy, not too light. Has a quality feel and some swirl bubbles. Beautiful color too. I am scooping this up. I haven't found any more of the little Japanese pieces to make that set. And I think that might have been it. Oh, look at this cute little planter. This was not here earlier. This is stuff that's getting pulled out. That is cute as hell. $3.99. You were worth it to somebody. Ooh, ooh. This has a beautiful texture to this. No markings. There is a little roughing right here on the side. And I think a little oil, maybe. That is pretty. That is pretty. Might even be Raku right there. I think I'm going to scoop this up. I love this. This is speaking to me. Oh, making my way back around here, folks, because I forgot to look these up. It looked like somebody else was looking at them. Oh, just by touching it, I could tell that these are not real boxes. These are modern. These are nice, though. It had me fooled for a second. I'm guessing these are too, more than likely. Yes. Just some decoration pieces, not for moi. All right, folks, I am going to be taking these pieces here. I am confident in them. And that one right there, that glass piece, that is a good one. So is that cobalt blue. And then we have some friends here. I just ran into some local celebrities who are making their way from state to state.
Ma'am?
Oh, damn it. Y'all ready, my friends? Where y'all want to eat at?
Chili's cool? Or where are you?
We go to Chili's. That's pretty close on Decatur.
Yeah, we're going.
Ladies and gents, I am going to go and have some late lunch with my friend here and my other friend here, who's the real boss over there.
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, that's way up by
He never knows what's going on.
Yeah, I'm just happy to be here.
I am too. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and the things that I shared with you.
Don't mention it. It hurts Sonny's feelings when you guys don't like it, so just don't say anything.
Either way, like and subscribe. Now back to the magic room. Ladies and gents, all of these items are going to be available in an auction on Knickknacks coming soon. This is a pretty cool one. I put this over in the Murano Facebook group to get more information if it is Murano. A lot of people are claiming that it is, and they're going for a pretty good value of 30 to 40. Some people have them priced at 100. This one right here, I get excited with these jellyfish. This is why. Got my regular little black light that I got on Amazon. Lights off. There we go, you see this. This does have a glow. And there is some uranium in the glass. The green is going to be phosphorus. And I like that this, even with the light turned off, it's still gonna glow. And the bottom side, if I hold it even longer, should give it a stronger glow. Put that in there. A little shiny bright. Bam. Beautiful. Make sure to like and subscribe.